Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's your boy Blue Boy FX, and it's a glorious morning over here. Oh yeah, and this is the VIX 100, and I want to show you how we're able to catch this trade with the analysis that we had, like the setup. So please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, do what to subscribe, like the video, share with your friends. Okay, share with your friends, and also don't fail to subscribe to this channel. Don't fail to subscribe. So for those of you that want to join the free Telegram channel, the free Telegram channel is free for all. So this was earlier today. This is how this trade started. This is how it was. So when I got on the chart, I already drew this. Okay, I already saw the setup, but normally you have to wait for the price to get, like, a setup is like a trap. So you have to wait for it, for the price for the market to fall into your trap. So we had to wait for it to come down. Okay, this is the 1 hour. Let me just show you before and after. We are going to go back to the chart. So this is after, and this was me telling them that I just saw the setup has been running. Let's buy the VIX 100. So this is what it is. Now let's go back to the main chart. So if you want to join the VIP, hit me up. The link to my WhatsApp is on the description of this video, and also the link to the free Telegram channel is also on this description of this video. So you can just click on it and you'll be free to join the VIP. Sorry, you'll not be free to join the VIP, you'll be free to join the free Telegram channel. The VIP is a paid signal group. Although don't forget that we have been hitting TPs, we've been giving out signals. This is a crash. Okay, we've been doing things, hitting TP1 and TP2 with trade, crash, boom, and all synthetic indices pair. Okay, assets rather. And also on the free Telegram channel, we give out free signals, but it's once in a while. It's not like it's an everyday thing. So this is a free signal that we gave out, and we're able to hit TP. Okay, so this is a free signal. By the C300 SF was given, and one lot size was supposed to cost us $10, but we were able to hit that TP and we're moving. So guys, if you want to join, hit me up. Check the description of this video. You're going to find the link to my Telegram, to the free Telegram channel, and the link to my WhatsApp number, and you can hit me up for more information. For those of you that want to join the mentorship, we are running up. For those that want to join the account management, we are still up. And for those that want to join the VIP, come on, hit me up, and we are active to help you. So now, before now, I think we were able to see this. I think this is where this trade started from. Yeah, so this was already a setup gotten on the 1 hour time frame, and also you can also note that this is an uptrend. So we have a resistance, not a minor resistance. We have a resistance at this level, which is very obvious on the 1 hour time frame. If you've been watching my videos, you are going to learn, like by now you should learn a lot, because it's always like I'm teaching you guys how to trade effectively. Now you've seen that we have a resistance at this level, but we got into a trade from this level. So with your own how do I put it, even before now, let's go back to this chart, the before chart. Okay, so before now, you can see that I didn't actually put an horizontal line at the top, but it's very obvious that we can see a resistance at that level. Now the resistance I'm talking about is at this level. You see that market got to this level, bounced back, played around this level, bounced back, gave us a fake breakout, because this is actually a fake breakout, bounced back and kept respecting that level. So after you must have gotten into this trade, you can now see that price went back to that place and kept bouncing again. So this is a repeated pattern that if you have been following the market closely, you are going to observe this thing happening, and you're going to have a very good entry. So People ask me, how do I get a good entry? Entry is a problem. Wow, you can get a good entry is by being patient. How do you now do this? Now, as I said earlier, you have to set up have a great setup. Set a trap for the market to fall into, and once it falls into that, you can actually go in because you set a trap for it. Like the way I did it, I had to set a trap, a setup. I had to set a trap for market to fall back to this zone before going in for it. But being that I wasn't active, and is a period of celebration. But once I opened my chart, having had this setup already, that's why it's just good to after having analyzed this market already. That's why it's always good to analyze the market and drop, do your things, and wait for it to fall in for the setup to be complete. So having seen that I have already done this and market has gotten to that level, although I made it on the second candle or in 1 hour candlestick, I now gave it up for a buy. While we gave our SL using the lower time frame. We gave our SL giving the lower time frame. I think we put our SL somewhere around here. We're supposed to lose $10 if it goes wrong. So, guys, you've seen that how price action works is different from how indicator works. Yeah, someone will come up and tell you, hey, there's an indicator of a VIX 100 for step index for 75, crash and boom. Yeah, well, there are indicators, but these indicators are real time, like they're active at that moment. Because if it was an uptrend and the price has fallen below has broken the trend, if it has broken the trend, maybe it was an uptrend, it has broken and is down, then that indicator is invalid because it can't work anymore the way it was supposed to, because mostly support resistance levels. Okay, it's mostly support and resistance levels. So by the time they've told you, okay, these are the overbought region, the overbought region is a resistance. That's the top is a resistance, and from that resistance, exactly, market has to drop. But now, if you're using price action, you'll be able to go from one time frame to the other to compare, your price. Now, this is the 15 minutes time frame, and you have seen how clear this is. Starting from the 1 hour, what can we see on the 1 hour? What we are seeing on the 1 hour is a huge rejection. Normally, this is what is expected. Market has gotten to this level and it has started dropping to come, maybe retest this, or probably break that level. Okay, come to retest this level, or probably break it. So now, when you go to the 30 minutes, had it been you were in this chart, or you were on the chart and you were playing around and you decided to stumble on the 30 minutes when this candlestick got to this level, what you do is for you to wait for this candlestick to start forming and show you signs of rejection. And this is a huge one. So by the time you've seen that, it has gotten to this level and it's pulling down, you can actually get into the trade. Okay, being that you know that this is a resistance. Look at it on the 1 hour. 1 hour showing you this is a resistance. Market has respected that region at every touch. Hold on, let me use an arrow. It has respected that region at every touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and now here and here. So now it's very, it's clear to you, price has been rejecting at this point, and it's actually a good time to go into a buy, or to go in for a sell. So if you apply this at this point, you went in for a sell, you make money. You're now waiting for a buy, you make money. You now went in for a sell from this position, you make money. You can now count how much you can make in a day. Although sometimes it might not just go that way all the time. So you can actually make, maybe let's say you went in for you went in on 4 entries. 3 actually is going to work as far as the setup is right. But once it's not working, what do? You can just decide to say, okay, today's not the day. You don't have to force the market to go your way. You can't even force it to go your way. So now, having said this, let's go to, I know a lot of people just like crash, boom. Wherever the profit comes from, is where you make money from. So if you see a setup on the crash 300, you see setup on jump 25 or whichever asset, you can decide to work with that. So let's try the crash 1000. Let's see what's happening here. Here's the crash 1000, and as I always say, start from the higher time frame. And what can you see here? We are seeing a downtrend. So crash 1000 is actually crashing. These are 4 hours, and it's a downtrend. It's a downtrend. Now let's look at the daily time frame. Okay, so now you've seen that on the 4 hours, what were we able to see? We are seeing a downtrend, but we can't see that this place here is a support. There's a support around this level. Now let me put that line. When I put the horizontal line, let me just drag this one down here. When I put that horizontal line, now let's go to the daily time frame. Now you see on the daily that horizontal line works here, works here, works here. Okay, sorry, excuse me. It works on that at that levels. Okay, so we've seen that on the daily time frame we have a resistance, we have a support at that level, whereby market is likely to pull back up as it did here, pulled back up, and now it has gotten to this level again, and it's expected to pull back up or just play around. So now, having seen this is where you now draw caution. Okay, fine, this is the daily time frame. There is a support. Now let me go to the 4 hours and see what's happening. Okay, that's why you have to play with different time frames. Now we go to the 4 hours, you say, wow, this is a downtrend, but we have a support at this level. Okay, so why don't I wait for it to get to this level first? Why don't I wait for it to get to this level first before I go in for a buy, maybe to scalp? Or then by the time you started putting all this together, you now go to the 1 hour, and now the 1 hour is showing you another thing, that market is ranging between this place and this place, and now you know what to expect. But right now the market has gotten to this level already, it's not going to be wise for you to go into it. Although there has been a rejection, it will not be wise for you to just go into it right now, except I'm talking of like the way I'm explaining this is because I have this horizontal line here. Okay, so this is my setup and I'm working with this. So it's very wrong for you to go in now, although there has been a rejection, which is market to climb up to this level. Remember, we have a support here and market has been pulling back up, but on the 4 hours it's showing us a sorry, not that. It's showing us that there's a downtrend. There's a downtrend here. Of course, you've seen the pattern. Even from here, you can see there is a downtrend. Or even if you shift this, you've seen that the market has been trending the downwards way. So, having seen that, okay, this is a support at this level, it can give you confidence to go in when you see this on the higher time frame. It can give you confidence to go into scalp because there's been a rejection and market is likely to go up. So if you enter from this level, which I'm going to give to the VIP now, I'm going to show this straight to the VIP. This is a setup. If you enter from this level, you can put your SL around here and you won't be losing much because it's actually close to your entry. But imagine that market has gotten to this level, to this point here, and you want to get into it to buy. This is going to be your preferred SL. And what happens if market gets to this place? It's going to take a whole lot from you. So that's why you have to have a good entry, whereby by the time you get into the market, you are close to where market, like the last structure of the market. Like now, let's say, as I said, let's see the VIX 100. Let me show you something. Oh wow, you've seen that market now is pulling down. You've seen that it's pulling down, but that's not what I want to show to you. What I want to show to you is, you see that if you get into the trade from this level, you can actually place your SL here, whereby it's not going to take much from you. If you get into it from this level, you can actually place your SL close to this place, so that you can actually calculate that, okay, I'm not going to lose more, I'm going to lose like $10. I'm ready to give the market $10 in order to make maybe $50, $40. So you can place your SL there, except your equity is huge. You can now decide, okay, fine, you are going to place it wherever you want to place it and let the market just keep running. That's what actually swing traders do. So that's why if you're swinging a trade, you need to have a very good huge equity. So guys, I'm not going to waste your time with this video. I've shown you how this works. Repeated patterns. This is what we saw here. We saw repeated patterns on this market, and we've gone into the VIPs. We've hit TP. I told him to actually close out on this trade. I told him to close out. Okay, this is that's the free channel. So I actually told him to close out from this. Oh shit. Okay, so I secure profit and let's enjoy the money, because we're about $116 up, but I was able to hold some positions. I actually had to hold just one position so that I could make this video for you guys. And this trade has been since yesterday, and that shows you that the pattern is still repeating itself. So it's very good for you to look out for the patterns on the market and be sure about it. So guys, if this video has been a little bit educative for you, you can actually hit the subscription button, like the video, and share it to your friends. And also you can join the free Telegram channel for those of you that want to join the mentorship, that want to join account management VIP. Hit me up. The WhatsApp number, okay, the link to my WhatsApp is on the description of this video, as well as the link to the free Telegram channel. So thanks guys for watching this video, as I'm going to be giving buy crash 1000 to the VIPs, and we are going to be setting our SL. Let's do this together. Crash 1000. So we're going to be putting our SL here, 5936. So now we've given that to the VIPs, and it's now time to rock and roll. So thanks guys for watching. See you guys on the next video. Let's make this money together.